Alright, today Sunday, we're out hunting Little Willow Creek and Big Willow Creek area. This drainage feeds the Paddock Valley Reservoir where we were hunting last time. This is a little north of Emmett. As you see in the background, this is a perfect place for both Huns and Chukars. You're going to run into the Chukars in where the rocky areas, and the Huns love this grassy stuff. So we expect a mixed bag today. We're going to hunt today with Justin Webb, and hopefully he'll get his first game birds today. So let's go do it. Pounded that. Good. Bring it. Good dog. Good dog. Drop it. Drop it. Good dog. Very first time. You know. Well, we made our first little push, and we were a little scared at first. Took a while to find the birds, but we got into 2 coveys of Huns. Lost a couple. But we got Justin's first Hungarian partridge. Tweet, tweet.